3 years ago, I trusted the wrong man. Marcus and I were best friends since college. We started a small real estate firm together right out of school. I handled the numbers, he charmed the clients. We were unstoppable, or so I thought. Business was booming. But one morning, I walked into the office and found a letter on my desk. It was from the bank. Our accounts had been emptied. All of them. By the end of the day, I was being investigated for fraud. Marcus. Nowhere to be found. I lost everything, my savings, my apartment, even my reputation. My girlfriend left. My family questioned me. My name became a joke in business circles. I spent 6 months couch surfing and flipping burgers just to survive. Every night, I replayed our last conversation. His smirk. His lie. He said, "Don't worry, I've got it all covered." He had covered it, all right, with forged documents and my digital signature. Marcus vanished, but I knew he didn't go far. People like him never do. They love the spotlight too much. So I waited. I cleaned up. Got a job in accounting at a mid-tier firm. Quietly rebuilt. Earned trust. Learned. I watched the markets. I studied investments. I taught myself how to move money like a ghost. Then I found him. New city. New name. Same smile. He was running luxury real estate deals, selling to millionaires and laundering money through shell companies. Classic Marcus. I didn't get mad. I got smarter. I spent a year building a new identity. Created my own shell corporations. Set up fake buyers. I used proxies and deepfake meetings to get close to him, posing as a Saudi investor looking to diversify assets. He bit. He always did love big money. We danced for months, email chains, video calls, fake fund transfers. I lured him into pitching me his most exclusive properties, ones that didn't even exist yet, all under the promise of a multi-million-dollar payout. Finally, I set the trap. I offered $12 million for a luxury penthouse development that was still under planning. I asked him to match me halfway, $6 million, into a joint venture account that I controlled. Greed made him blind. He transferred the money. Then I vanished. But I didn't just take his money, I took his clients. I used what I learned from him to expose his fake deals. I leaked evidence to the press and sent anonymous tips to the IRS. In 2 weeks, his empire collapsed. He went from champagne suites to courtroom seats. As for me, I watched it all unfold from a quiet balcony in Bali, sipping coffee as the sun rose over the sea. The $6 million, I donated half to the victims he scammed over the years. The rest, I invested quietly, anonymously, safely. Some say revenge is a dish best served cold. But me, I like it ice cold, garnished with justice.